By the shimmering edge of a Florida lake, a master of the wetlands is preparing for her next mission. This is the female Anhinga. You can identify her by the beautiful buff-brown feathers on her neck, a sharp contrast to the all-black plumage of the males. Watch as she meticulously grooms herself, using her sharp bill to align every feather. For an underwater hunter, this isn't just about looks. It is essential maintenance to ensure her body is streamlined for the dive. When she stretches her neck upward, you see the elegant serpentine curves that earned her the nickname Snake Bird. This is the quiet rhythm of survival in wild Florida. This is wild Florida.